Look at this. No. You shush. Telling somebody shush. Learn to drive. Idiot. Idiot. You too.
Whoa, my bad. That would have been bad. He's gonna pull me over now. God. Holy
为大量中国基础建设早期的奠基，筹集到大量资金。来说，中信对于中国基建早期发展是有着巨大贡献的。中信公司在国际市场成功发债后，中国政府也开始逐步放开对企业在海外发行债券的限制。
Science follows a team of modern-day explorers who face the Herculean task of finding Sir Ernest Shackleton's famous sunken ship, now streaming on Hulu and Disney+. And from Indeed, designed to be an end-to-end hiring solution for businesses of all sizes.
This is all things considered.
Are you okay?
Like a good neighbor, State Farm's there. That's right. You can file a claim on the app or call us.
Thanks, Mr. Chris.
No matter how ludicrous the situation, like a good neighbor.
Paired with gloves. Learn more about harvesting safely and legally at las.com. There's also, that's also the place where you can grab the latest in local news, by the way. Highs in the low 70s today. Tomorrow, we're like 10 degrees cooler with highs right around 60. We also have a chance of rain. Looking ahead,
as a fiduciary, Fisher Investments is obligated to act in their clients' best interest. Learn more.
Proposal. Do you know what's in it?
No. Blinken and the others have not said exactly, how this proposal would overcome.
You just called it a bridging proposal. Do you know what's in it?
No. Blinken and the others have not said exactly, how this proposal would overcome the outstanding issues, but we do know what those issues are. First,
you're most likely.
Are you kidding me right now?
And it's long shot parlay bets is what they're selling you on. It isn't like you're going to bet the Chiefs against the Raiders. It's no, you're going to bet the Chiefs and Patrick Mahomes throwing for 300 yards and Travis Kelce catching 2 touchdowns, and all of that has to come right, or you don't win. And what they're doing is sort of nudging you.
Yeah. I saw that coming, man.
the dad cast we're doing right now? Have you found yourself more we're doing right now? Have you found yourself more emotional that now that you have a child? Have you found yourself more emotional?
Yeah.
More emotional that now that you have a child? Have you found yourself emotional?
Yeah. Yes. I find myself like. Yes. I find myself like looking at my parents differently and like.